guys, welcome back to Cooking with Mimi, and today we are going to make the world's best mac and cheese. Now, this mac and cheese is very famous in Seattle, Washington, the Pike Place Market, and the star of the mac and cheese is their Beechers cheese. It's aged 2 years. It's an amazing white cheddar. It tastes very good, and today that is going to be the star of our dish. Let's get started. Okay, so these are my ingredients. I have a cup and a half of the Beechers cheddar cheese grated, half a cup of Monterey Jack cheese grated. Here I have half a teaspoon of chipotle seasoning, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of garlic powder. And here is half a teaspoon of chipotle seasoning in a separate bowl because we're gonna save that to sprinkle on top of the mac and cheese. 2 tablespoons of butter, 3.5 tablespoons of flour, and 1.5 cup of milk. Okay, now guys, you want to turn your stove onto medium heat, and then you're going to add your 2 tablespoons of butter. Let that melt just a little bit. And once your butter is melted, you're going to add your flour and then whisk it until it's nicely incorporated. This is the color you're looking for. That is our cue. You want to slowly start pouring in your milk and whisking at the same time. Make sure you're whisking till it's very well incorporated because you want a creamy sauce, not a lumpy sauce. Pour in the remainder of my milk. So after you put in your milk, you're going to want to stir it till it thickens for about 5 to 10 minutes. Also, I forgot to mention, please preheat your oven to 350 degrees. So once your sauce is nicely thickened, you want to turn your heat off and then add your cheese. So you're going to add about a cup of your cheese. And then you want to save a little bit for the top, to sprinkle on top. And then, so that's a cup of the Beechers cheese, and then you want a 1/4 cup of the Monterey Jack cheese, and then save a little bit for the top. Okay, and your seasoning blend. And then next, we're just going to stir it till it's nicely melted. Oh, look at that. You're going to want to stir it for about 2 to 3 minutes until the cheese is fully melted. Look at that. Look at this. Oh, yes. Next, I'm going to add my pasta. So I boiled about half the box of the pasta, so about 8 ounces of the pasta. I boiled it until it was al dente. Then I strained it and ran it under cold water and then set that aside. So now we're going to take our pasta, all of it, and then mix the cheese in. Mix that cheese sauce in. Ooh, lost the pasta. Pasta down. Now that our cheese sauce is nicely mixed into the pasta, we're going to start transferring everything into a baking dish. Alright guys, so here I have a 9x12 pan already buttered. I'm going to pour in my pasta and cheese sauce in here. You want to get all of it. Don't leave a drop. That delicious goodness. Then spread it out just a little bit. Then we're going to sprinkle the remainder of the Beechers cheddar right on top. And the Monterey Jack cheddar cheese right on top. Spread that out a little bit. Then we're going to sprinkle our chipotle seasoning right on top. To pop this in my oven that's set at 350 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes. Then after I pop it out the oven, I'm going to let it cool for 5 minutes and then we're going to dig in. Alright guys, this is the mac and cheese. It's been cooling down for about 5 minutes now. Let's see how it looks. Ooh. Look at that, it's nice and creamy and... Alright guys, so this is looking very, very delicious and irresistible. So I'm going to dig in and taste a little bit. Ooh, look at that string action right there. Now I want to see why it's the world's best mac and cheese. Oh my god. It's nice and creamy. Good amount of salt. You taste that hints of garlic in the back. and the chipotle seasoning. It gives it like that nice slight smokiness. It's so good, guys. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to please subscribe to my channel, like, and comment down below what I should make next. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time on Cooking with Mimi.